The solar system is a fascinating and intricate celestial arrangement that consists of the Sun, 8 planets, their moons, asteroids, comets, and various other celestial objects. Here are some key aspects of our solar system. The Sun. At the center of our solar system is the Sun, a massive, hot, and luminous star. It provides light and heat to all the planets and celestial bodies orbiting around it. Planets. There are 8 major planets in the solar system, divided into 2 categories. The inner rocky planets include Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, while the outer, gas giant planets comprise Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Moons. Many of the planets in the solar system have natural satellites, or moons, that orbit around them. Earth's moon is one of the most well-known examples, but other planets like Jupiter and Saturn have numerous moons of their own. Asteroids. These are small, rocky or metallic objects that orbit the Sun, primarily found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Some, like Ceres, are considered dwarf planets due to their size and characteristics. Comets. Comets are icy bodies that travel through the solar system on highly elliptical orbits. When they approach the Sun, they develop a glowing coma and a tail due to sublimation of their ices. Kuiper Belt and Oort cloud. Beyond the orbit of Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, a region of icy objects and dwarf planets. Even farther out is the Oort cloud, a vast sphere of comets that surrounds the solar system. Space exploration. The solar system has been a focal point for space exploration. Human missions, like the Apollo moon landings, and robotic missions, such as those to Mars and the outer planets, have greatly expanded our understanding of our cosmic neighborhood. Origin and evolution. The solar system formed approximately 4.6 billion years ago from a cloud of gas and dust, a process known as solar nebular hypothesis. Over time, the planets and other objects in the solar system evolved into their current forms. Understanding the solar system has been a crucial part of our quest to comprehend the cosmos and our place within it. It serves as a remarkable example of the beauty and complexity of the universe, offering endless opportunities for scientific study and exploration.